This video uncovers the surprising science behind sneezing and how a simple reflex reshaped medicine and culture. From ancient healers to 19th century physicians, sneezes were diagnostic clues for infections and windows into neural pathways. In laboratories, researchers use sneezes to study reflexes and brain signaling, revealing how nerves coordinate a rapid muscular burst. A memorable moment tied to this research comes from a controlled sneeze experiment that shocked scientists with synchronized body responses. Today, the sneeze inspires modern neuroscience and public health ideas, reminding curious minds that tiny acts carry big lessons.